All right, so I got a drive that I need to change from MBR to GUP. I mean GPT, uh, because MBR is it has a max of 2 terabytes, and I need to have all of this be one drive. So I'm gonna go to CMD, go into Command Prompt, run it as administrator. Then I'm gonna type in this part. All right. So list disk, so it could bring up the list of disks that I have. Uh-oh, my bad. List disk, two separate words. And so now I'm going to select number 4 because that's the one that I need. All right, so select disk 4. This disk is not valid. All right, so select disk 4. I didn't need the arrows in there. So I'm gonna type in clean. This is gonna wipe the MBR. Now it's clean. So now I'm gonna type in convert GPT. It says it's successfully converted. So yep. So now we see all of this is came into OneDrive. So now I can turn this into a new simple volume. And that's gonna be for another video. I'm doing something else. Thanks for checking out the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Peace out.